A dissertation proposal is a crucial part of your master's or PhD as it sets the stage for your research and helps make a clear project plan. This video will guide you regarding how to craft a good dissertation proposal. It is a lengthy piece of academic writing based on original research. Students usually submit it as a part of an undergraduate or graduate degree. A dissertation proposal is a comprehensive statement on the extent and nature of a student's research interest. It describes the research, what it is about, and how a student will conduct it. The dissertation proposal also explains the purpose of the research. Though the length of your dissertation proposal depends on the nature, style, and content of a topic, ideally, the proposal should be 15-20 pages, excluding bibliography. A good dissertation proposal covers all the research questions and makes a layout of how you will lead the research. It must include the following. Introduction: give the general idea of your topic with necessary background information. Main body. Conclusion: the conclusion can include the overall summary of the proposal. The main body further breaks into the following. Literature review. Methodology. Aims and objectives of research. Limitation of research. Ethical considerations. Project time frame. A dissertation proposal is of two types. Empirical dissertation, it focuses on collecting and analyzing original data. Library-based dissertation, it's a technique of collecting information by learning and understanding data that has already been collected and identifying the gaps in those research that others have not explored much. Do's. Proposal structure should be hierarchic. State the central idea of the research as early as possible. Present only one version of the topic. Don'ts. Bury the main idea of the topic behind unnecessary details. Use figures or tables. Make everything positive. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.